party. I am 4 years old. My name is Rathisha. I am 4 years old. I am from Bombay. I like to dance. I like to eat banana. My favorite color is blue. Thank you. Hi friends. My name is Zaira and Aradhya. I am girl. I am 6 years old. My father name is MT Sahan. My mother name is Kashmiri Parveen. My school name is Carmel School. I live in Hazaribagh. Hi friends. My name is Zaira Parveen. I am 6 years old. I am from Hazaribagh. I like to dance. I like to eat fruit. My favorite color is black and white. Thank you. My name is Aradhya. I read in 2nd class. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite color is pink.